Hello to YouTube. Today I received my MoYu AoSu from Calvin, and I'm really excited for the cube because I like the Weisu, but not as much as my Shengxiao. My Shengxiao is really fast, and this takes a little bit more effort to turn. However, I get better times on my Weisu. So Weisu is my main cube, but I practice a lot with Shengxiao. Shengxiao needs more accurate turning. So yeah. And I'm excited about this one because it's supposed to be faster than the Weisu. First, let's compare the size, and it looks like exactly the same, and the colors are also 100% the same. Now for the first turns. Yeah, I can feel it's different feeling, because when I received my Weisu it was not turning that good, and this is turning after 1,000 solves quite alright, and out of the box this is lighter, this is smoother, it takes less effort. Yeah, Weisu makes more sound. Tensions are about the same, I think. Yeah, this one has a white core. No, original plastic color. Okay. Well, for first impressions, I'm very pleased. I'm gonna tension it, I'm gonna loop it, do some solves, and get back to you. Cool. So, what are my afterthoughts of this cube? I've done about 25 solves only so far, but I can tell this cube is better than the Weisu, sorry. But I think this cube might be a little bit overhyped. It's not that much better than a Weisu. It's pretty different in the meaning it's more buttery. It feels smooth and buttery, but it's still, in my opinion, it's still sluggish. It takes still some effort to turn. Maybe I have my tension still too tight and I need to loosen up. But for example, this is a new Shengxiao version 5, and it takes no effort. It's not broken in. It's a new cube. I only did Florian mod. It's really fast, and this takes a little bit more effort to turn. But that said, I just did a single PB on this one after only 14 solves, so I guess that means something too. It's very it doesn't lock up. It's really nice to solve this cube. So yeah, my guess is that this cube will rule the world in the 4x4, and really fast people like Mats and Felix and the German guy, what's his name, Sebastian, or they will break records again and again. I know for sure with this cube. So my recommendation is, yeah, you should buy this cube, but don't expect it to be a lot better than the Weisu. Thanks for watching.